you looking for a job? If so, there is an app that's being developed right here in Ohio that is helping hundreds of employers connect with thousands of employees all across the country. It's called Upshift. Spectrum News 1 reporter Michaela Marshall joins us now to explain what this is all about. And Michaela, this sounds like a great idea.
Absolutely. Good afternoon, Mindy. Well, Upshift was founded in 2016 in Cincinnati and now has a presence in every major Ohio city. It has expanded a lot over the years into 8 other states across the country, and the staffing platform has proven to be mutually beneficial for businesses looking to hire and job seekers looking for flexible work. These dishes won't clean themselves.
It actually gives me a good workout alone, too. Get paid for working out almost.
That's where Tracy Black comes in.
I wouldn't mind becoming a professional dishwasher. You don't know too many professional dishwashers out there, you know?
He's been working at the Event Source headquarters in Cleveland for a few months now. It's a family-owned and operated event rental business that's been around for 42 years.
I normally come in 5 days a week.
But he's not an Event Source employee.
This is going to be the breadwinner for me.
He's an upshifter.
Flexibility, you know, good pay.
Black signed up to work for Upshift through the app on his phone.
Upshift has been the most recent steady job that I've had.
After going through a quick application and interview process, Upshifters can pick and choose when, where, and how much they work.
They started offering me weeks at a time. And then I figured, hey, maybe the whole goal for this, it sounds like they're saying upshift. You know what I mean? So I'll just see if I'm one of the keepers here.
Black likes his job at Event Source so much, he hopes to land a full-time position.
It's a dream job for me.
So Tracy is an example of someone who found a great fit right away, but that's not every Upshifter's story. The platform also works well for someone looking to pick up just a couple of shifts a month, or for someone who's interested in working at multiple venues. Here in Cleveland, for example, the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame and First Energy Stadium utilize Upshift during big games and events.
So with the current labor shortage and, all the other challenges businesses have faced right now since the start of the pandemic, how has Upshift been received, and is it working all right?
Well, it's been booming because it essentially fills the gap on both ends of the issue. It connects people looking for work with businesses looking for workers. And here at Event Source, for example, the director of operations told me that at the peak of busy season, about 30% of the workers in the warehouse were Upshifters. And he says without them, the company wouldn't have been able to keep up with client demand.
There's some people that we've transitioned into full-time employees, some people we're still looking to transition to full-time employees, some people that we've wanted to transition to full-time employees, but they love the freedom of Upshift too much where they don't want to be tied down to one company, but we'll still take them any day they want to work.
Really is a good idea, Michaela. So if someone is interested in working at Upshift, how do they sign up? Please tell us.
Well, there is a personality test and in-person orientation at one of the Upshift offices, but the entire process can be done in 24 hours. So you could start the process on Monday, go to orientation on Tuesday morning, and be out at a job site Tuesday afternoon.
Traditional application process, you have to do a resume, you have to do a couple of interviews just to work one place. And in today's labor market, people don't want to do that. With Upshift, you go through one application process, no resumes involved, and once you're done, you can work at hundreds of different businesses, either flexibly or full-time.
You can find more information about Upshift on SpectrumNews1.com. Mindy.
Awesome information, Michaela, and very helpful for this time of the year especially. That's Michaela Marshall reporting for us. Thanks so much.